Hi, I'm Zara. In this video we're going to unbox with shoe tips. You can also find tips on how to care for your foot in this video. Tips to buy sports shoes. If you are getting ready for a run, you may want to follow the tips. Make sure you know the things you need to look for in your running shoes. Check your foot and which types of arch foot you have. So many foot arch types. Flat type foot, medium arch foot, high foot, gate foot types, normal foot, pronation foot, supination foot. These are foot types. Before you buy shoes, then you will be able to perform much better. For more information about shoes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks to watching.